Okay, today I want to address these door hinges and the way these doors close. This is not good. It's definitely the hinge pin, and I can see the lower hinge pin moving. And I tried a chatter gun. In lieu of ordering parts or waiting for parts or trying to figure out how to get that hinge pin replaced, I'm going to try an old trick, and I'm going to try to remove that. I'm going to put a shim or two behind the hinge to try to shim it out. Now, I kind of figured these big Phillips screws. Okay, this one came loose. Nice. And this one is tight as well. I've got this impact wrench. I'm sure you guys have seen it or seen something similar to it. This is one of the very first tools I ever got. I got this in about 1969, I want to say, when like a screw. And so when you're hitting it, you're driving it in tight, and you're also twisting it. So let me get a hammer here, and we'll see if we can pop these two Phillips screws that were loose out, or get them started. That's all it takes. That is so sweet. Sometimes, you know, they just take a set from being in one spot for years, and you get moisture in there, I'm sure. Alrighty. Cool. Cool beans. So now I'm just gonna that isn't what I wanted to have happen. Alright. Now I think what I'm going to do is look around for a pop can and take a pair of scissors and cut a few pieces of shims from some pop can. I think what we'll do here is try a flat washer. That'll cover a lot of space, and we're going to put it between the pillar and the back side of the hinge, and that should move the door in the direction I want. So alright, shim install. Can't believe that. I think I'm going to move it just a little bit. I got lucky. That was just plain luck. So, in summary, the hinge pins are loose. This is not a permanent fix. This is strictly temporary. The door was rattling, and every time you got in and out of the car, closed the door, I could feel it, you know, it's banging into the striker plate. Those things are expensive, and it wouldn't hurt put a little grease on a drop of oil on your hinges, and a little bit of grease on your striker, and make your doors last a long time. It sucks having bad fitting doors. Man, I can't believe what a huge difference that did make. Amazing. Alright. Hope that helps somebody. Take care.